Now here comes the next question for you. Okay. Your next question says, if 5 players score 35 runs each, how many runs will be scored in total? So did you understand the question, children? 5 players score 35 runs each, which means that each player is scoring 35 runs. Okay. So how many runs will be scored in total? So what you have to do is 35 into 5. So 5 into 5, 25. 2 carry forward. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. So my answer is 175 runs. Clear? Here comes your next question. Read the statement and mark T for true and F for false. Okay. So you need to read the statements carefully, and then whichever is true you need to mark T, whichever is false you need to mark F. Okay. The first statement says 5 groups of 4 means 20. Okay. The next option says 7 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to 21 into 2. Option C says 3 times 5 means 50. Okay. So 5 group of 4, which means that 5 into 4 is how much? Good. It is 20. And my answer also says the same. So which means this statement is true. Okay. Next one says 7 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to 21 into 2. Is it true? 7 plus 7 plus 7 is how much? 21. But here they are saying 21 into 2. So is it true? No. So this is my false statement. Okay. Next one says 3 times 5 means 15. So which means that 3 into 5 is how much? 3 5s are? Yes, 15. So this answer is also true. So which means that statement A and statement C are true, whereas statement B is false. Clear? Shall we move? Okay. So here is my next question. What operation is used to change these inputs into given output? Did you understand the question? So what operations are used to change the given inputs into the given output? Your input is here and your output is here. Okay. The first one is 3 and 9. The second one is 3 and 4. The third one is 3 and 5. And the output is 27, 12 and 15. Okay. My options are A is addition, option B is subtraction, option C is multiplication, and option D is division. Okay. So the question here asked is that based on the input which is given, you have got the output. That is, you are having these answers. Now, how we have come to this answer? So which method have we used? Have we used addition or subtraction, multiplication or division? So shall we try with the addition? 3 and 9. So if we add 3 plus 9, what will be the answer? It's 12, right? Whereas here they have given us 27. So is it possible here? Addition? No. Coming to the next one, 3 and 4. If I add 3 plus 4, it is 7. Again, that is not the output given. 3 and 5. So 3 plus 5 is how much? 8, which is not matching. So which means addition is not my right answer. Coming to the next one, subtraction. 3 and 9. Is it possible to reduce the first number, smaller number with the bigger one? So if I do 9 minus 3, it is 6. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 3, 2, which is not matching my output. So subtraction is also the wrong method. Shall we do the multiplication? So 3 and 9, which means 3 into 9 is how much? 27. It is correct here? Yes. So 3 into 9. 3 and 4. 3 into 4. Next one, 3 and 5. 3 into 5. So in all the three cases, multiplication is working out, right? So my correct option is option C, which is multiplication. Understood, children? Shall we move further? Here is your next question. You need to look at the image given here, okay, and tell me how many beads are there in the necklace given here. Okay. So can you see the beads, children? Okay. So how many groups are there? How many necklaces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So your question is, how many beads are there the necklaces above. Okay. So we know that there are 5 necklaces. We need to count the number of beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So which means that each necklace is having 11 beads. So what am I going to do? 5 into 11, which is equals to 55 beads. So my answer is 55 beads. Got it? Shall we proceed to the next question? Okay, so here is my next question. You need to study the pattern. Okay, the first one says 1 into 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. 12 into 8 plus 2 is equals to 98. Okay, so the next step will be dash. Okay, and your options are 120 into 8 plus 0, 123 into 8 plus 3, option C, 13 plus 8 plus 3 equals to 107, and option D, 1, 2, 3, 4 into 8 plus 4 is equals to 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay. So, shall we multiply this and see what is the answer? 120 into 8. So, 12 8s are how much? We'll multiply here and see. 12 into 8. So, 12, 2 8s are 16, 1. 1 8s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Now, since it is 120, we'll put here 960. So, 960 plus 0 is 960. Right. So, now, tell me what is the pattern which is followed here. 1 into 8 plus 1 is 9. Right. Next is 1, 2, which means this 1, here it has become 1, 2. This multiplication remains the same, and here 1 and 2 you are adding. The first one you are adding 1, the second one you are adding 2. So now 1, 1, 2, what is the next one? 1, 2, 3. Right. So 123 into 8. Now here it is added with 1, here it is added with 2. So what is the next one? It will be added with? Very good. It will be added with 3. So it will be 123 into 8 plus 3, which is 987, which means option B is my right answer. Did you understand it, children? Shall we proceed further?